Happy Sunday, y'all. Here's my girl. She's doing her nails. This is a feature of the Kiss color system and also the Kiss color palette. Check out that packaging. Oh my God. Nah, I'm just kidding. That packaging's plain. But wait till you see the results, folks. Stick along with us here. Wow. Look at them freaking things. All right, let's try one of these out. We're going to go ahead and just smack that on the little nail first. Try it out. Preparation is key, girls. Preparation is key. So get your nails prepped before you place it on. Hold it for a minute. Fit it, fit it. And this is the long stilettos, in case you're wondering, ladies. Okay. You see what we're doing. You see what we're doing. What are we doing? I think we're just putting them on, making sure they're tight. And this is the first step, ladies, okay? Remember, it's a process. It takes patience. Beauty takes patience, ladies. Trim them to the length you like. Obviously, you're going to lose the little point at the top, but that's part of it, ladies. This is one of my favorite products, folks. Look at that glitter. Oh my gosh. Blinded by the light. It's like an acrylic, folks. It really puts on another coating. And the color's spectacular. There's the dipping powder, I think. Now, it gets a little tricky, it gets a little messy, but again, it's part of the process, ladies. Us men respect it.
Shout out to my boo doing my voiceover in the first part, but I wanted to take over just to explain this process. It was a little bit hard for me, to be honest. I wish I did not put the glue all over my nails in the beginning. I should have done it in in sections, but it was a little bit hard for me. I had to literally put all the colors on and then I had to take them off. They were not drying. The easiest part for me was me doing this glitter nail. As you can see in the beginning, I started at the end of the nail and I worked my way all the way back to the cuticle. I think that was the easiest way I could have done it, and it worked so much better. And this nail, it actually set all the way through. Put the activator on it and it set all the way through. So here I did start to put the activator on the nail, but sadly the activator did not activate the whole nail, so I did have to start taking these nails off. Literally took 3 nails off. And this is where I realized that these nails were not setting, so I had to take them off and just added glitter on the ones that I took off. Right, it was giving me a lot of trouble. But right here, as you guys can see, I was trying to put some water decals on my nails. I think that's what you call it. Some little stickers on my nails just to cover the little imperfections that I couldn't get out. I got this from off of Amazon. I will link it in the description below. But this was actually fun to work with. It was pretty easy. You just cut them up, put them in the water, use a tweezer. Literally, I'm showing you right now. Use a tweezer and you take it off, slide it off the paper, and it goes on your nail. And yeah. So in life, everything isn't easy, right? And I'm telling you guys, I tried to place this flower, like, in a certain position where I think it will be cute, will be pretty, and I couldn't get it together. I literally did a couple tries, with different flowers, trying to see which one I would like better, which one will place better. But I eventually figured it out. Okay, so this part is just me putting on the top gel. I only liked it because it made the nails look good, but it was literally burning the hell out my eyes. Like, just smelling it, it was too much for me. I'm not even gonna lie. But it made the nails look good. You see me going back and forth with my nails because I like how it looked. It turned out beautifully. Honestly, I'm gonna keep trying doing these dip powders so I can get better at it, because it's actually pretty easy. I mean, once you keep doing it, I'm sure you'll get the hang of it. When you first start, obviously it might take, a while, but keep doing it, and trust me, I think I'll get better. But these are the finished nails. Hopefully you guys love it. And this was fun. I had fun doing this, and I will be doing more nails. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video and leave me comments. I want to see what you guys think about my nails. And thank you, and I love you. See you guys later.